You're probably a bit surprised to see me this week. You know, he thought I'd been killed off by the incarnation of old Wales last week. But he let me live, but as punishment, he shaved me like this, in the tribute to the glory days of Welsh rugby. We're talking second golden age, 1969-1980. Nothing says Welsh pride like good old sideburns.
Welsh Not!
Hello, or as we say in Wales, nice sideburns, good boy. Some people wonder why the Welsh language isn't more widely spoken. Now you see how I didn't use phrases like dying or died there, and that's because it isn't. Now one contributing factor was the Welsh Not. The Welsh Not was a technique utilised by the education systems of the 1800s to dissuade people from speaking Welsh. But why would they want to stop people speaking Welsh? Well, this was the time of the Industrial Revolution, and if what I was taught in school is correct, that's where the English came in, stole our coal, raped our culture, and tried to kill our language. And that sounds about right for the English at the time, still in the full swing of the British Empire. Multiculturalism was still very much something that happened to other people. Dirty, stinking, barbaric people. Here's how the Welsh Not worked. Wowen, how did the Welsh Not work? Wowen, how did the Welsh Not work? The Welsh Not was a piece of wood with the letters WN written on it, attached to some string. A pupil caught speaking Welsh would be forced to wear the Welsh Not, and they would continue wearing the Welsh Not until another pupil was caught speaking Welsh, at which time the Welsh Not would transfer to the other pupil. Much like a game of touch tag in America, except with the aim of destroying a language through childhood trauma. The pupil left wearing the Welsh Not at the end of the day would be given what was then called a lashing and what would today be called beating children with sticks. Good fun. While we've moved on since then, the same mistake is still basically being made, but in reverse. Like when I was in school, you got punished for speaking English rather than Welsh. And that sort of breeds a resentment of Welsh, because as soon as you feel as though you have to speak something, you're supposed to speak something, you don't want to. I'd say that's especially true of teenagers, which is the vast majority of the group being hit by that rule. Now, I think we all agree that you can't force people to speak the Welsh language or any language. So how else do we promote the Welsh language? Well, my personal solution was do funny videos on that YouTube. And I think we'd all agree that that's going swimmingly well. Shut up, don't say anything. It's such a great solution that I've actually forgotten to speak Welsh in this video, which is very clever of me. But it's just the first step in my grand plan. And when you see my plan come to fruition, then you will see my genius. But for now, I'm sorry. I'll stop. As always, I'd like to take the time out to say thank you for watching it, for liking it, subscribing or commenting. If you did, that's very much appreciated by me. I'm sending you out some appreciation on these appreciation waves. And I hope my appreciation is appreciated. Also, as always, put some plugs up, links to other things we do. David's music page, bling, 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 bling. That's what he does. And then our group comedy page, which has got an extract from our live show that we did. Have a glance at that. It's 14 seconds long. Yeah, that's basically it. If any of you have got an actual Welsh topic that you'd want me to cover and put my, I'm so knowledgeable about Wales, I think you'll get some very intelligent answers off me. If there's anything you want cleared up, don't hesitate to ask. I'm running out of topics. But yeah, seriously, I am. I've got no more ideas. Please ask something. Have a nice week. And then longer again. Just enjoy yourself. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye. Toodle pip.